Hi everyone, it's Dom again, just trying to do a little video to help people out. This is my screen, very sort of pixelated colour. It does eventually go off. Now I've had the dreaded blue screen before, which was definitely the camera, but I'm not convinced this is. I don't know if this is my screen or the camera. I'm going to change the camera anyway. So, quick video, let's go. So this is the camera I bought. It's from eBay, £26. I'm hoping that's the right connector. We'll soon find out. I got a price from Elddis for my camera, which was £219 plus £80 fitting. So here we go. All I'm going to do is take these screws out, see what's behind. I know I might have to take the body off, but we'll see. See how the silicone sticking it, or just the seal, I don't know. Trying not to damage that. A bit of sealant in there. Oh, just filled that. I'm throwing that gasket now, but no way. So I need to dig all this sealant out of there. People have said fill with sealant, and that's what they've done. Come back when I've took that out. So, as you can see, absolute shocking. Rammed full of silicone. Looks like some bodge on the wire in here. See what we exposed. So, I just felt like Dr. Pimple Popper picking all that out. It's coming out a big chunk, kept tugging, and there's hopefully the socket exposed. Inside there you can see the plywood that a lot of people have had trouble with rotting. Doesn't smell particularly nice, but it's damp, but it's not rotten. So I'll have a look on the sealant around here, give that a real seal while I'm on, but get back to this job. Looking good so far. So looking at those, that's mine on the left that I've just taken out, silver one, that's the new one there, so it looks the same. So let's fire it up. Moment of truth. Yes, looks good to me. Happy with that. Right, I'm stick it all in now. So, bit of sealant in, put some in there on top of the plywood so that any water getting in will come out. A little bit of sealant around there. I know it's a bit manky, but decorator's cork would be great. That will upset the purist and the Silkaflex crew. On my lamp, I'm not putting any on. I'm going to leave the bottom open so any water can drain out. I've got the drain hole in the bottom, so I'll be replacing this in 6 months' time probably, so we'll see how we get on. So there we go, that's it. That's all the tools I used. That's the old one there. I don't know what's going on, that's the one that was replaced by Elddis dealer. Tapping the wiring again. Big plug of whatever that is, silicone or something. Same fitting. £26 eBay one. Lovely job. Well, I'm pleased with it. See what happens 6 months' time. There you go. Easy job. Have a go. There we go. Seam sorted. £26 and 26 minutes of my time. So hope everyone has a go at that and enjoy. Cheers. Bye bye now.